Oh, hi there. It's Sherry. Y'all, recently I did a heads up video from Dollar Tree and I left off a few items. So I'm going to show you those items in just a minute. So stay tuned. In that Dollar Tree heads up video that I recently did, there were a couple of things that I meant to show you and I didn't because I couldn't find the bags. Well, you know where the bags were? They were in the under trunk of my car. So in the back of my car, there's a lift up flap that I can place items in if I've run out of room on top. And I actually had some other items on top, and I tucked two of the bags underneath and completely forgot about them. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by. Welcome to all of my new subscribers and to all of my new friends. Welcome back to all of my longtime subscribers and longtime friends. Thank you all so much for supporting me and my channel. It's because of you that my channel is successful. You could be doing anything else. You could be watching any other channel right now, or you might not even be watching YouTube at all right now, but you're choosing to watch YouTube and you're choosing to watch me. So thank you for the support. Now, as I said earlier, there were a couple of things that I left off of that heads up video, and I want to make sure that you see them because if you do have access to a Dollar Tree, or you do have access to Dollar Tree online, or if you have stores that sell similar items where you're located, you might be interested in picking up some of these. So I'm going to flip to my overhead and just show you these two things really quickly. So as you might have noticed, I have definitely been using the items that I gave you the heads up on. And that is going to be the case with what I'm showing you today as well. I'm going to show you these items, and it's only a couple of them. I'm going to show them to you, and then you can fully expect to see me do some awesome crafts with these items. I have 4 here on my desk, but I think I bought 8. It's the adhesive cork sheets from the Dollar Tree. This is like cork. It has an adhesive backer on it. So I have a project in mind that I'm going to be using these sheets on, and this size is 11 3/4 by 7 3/4. So if you have a Dollar Tree or you have access to Dollar Tree online, go ahead and pick up a few of these if you want to craft along with me on the project that I'm going to be doing. If you don't have a Dollar Tree, you probably do have access to be able to purchase cork, whether it's in another store or through Amazon where you're located. I don't know if they sell the individual adhesive sheets, but you can probably find something similar. So I do have some adhesive cork sheets that I am definitely going to be using on the channel. Now this is what I really wanted to show you guys when I did the original heads up video, because I am just so excited about these. They are 8.5 by 8.5 and they're sold as home decor. They are meant to be like canvas, but I think this is more of a polyester or a nylon stretched canvas, but it has that feel of canvas, but I don't think that it's real canvas, but that's okay because it's going to work. And they have them in so many beautiful prints, and y'all know that I did not buy these for home decor. So we will definitely be doing some alternative crafting with these home decor pieces, but I wanted to give you a very quick flip through of what it was I purchased, so that if you happen to be in Dollar Tree or you have access to Dollar Tree online, you might want to pick up some of these. If you don't have access to Dollar Tree online, again, you might be able to find something very similar in your hobby shop or your local general purpose store. You might be able to find something very similar to this. So these are 8.5 by 8.5. It's stretched and stapled and ready to be mounted to the wall. This one is a beautiful black and white that says spread kindness. This one is a navy with a floral print on it, and it says we belong together. Isn't that beautiful? This one says welcome spring. This one I just fell in love with. It's butterflies and dragonflies, and it is just so stinking cute, y'all. I wish you could see it in person, but it has a nice little border around it, and then you have the butterflies and dragonflies in the middle. This one actually looks like a napkin that I've used on the channel, and what I really like about this one is it has like a raised gloss on it. So certain parts of this particular print have a raised effect to them, and it is really, really nice. My camera is probably not doing this justice, but you can probably see the shine on that bird as I move it around. That's that raised gloss effect that's on here. And then this one says love grows here. And it is just so muted and so beautiful that I couldn't help but buy these because I kept thinking of one or two, three or four different things that I might be able to do with these. And you'll definitely be seeing me use these in my crafting, but I won't be using them for home decor. So as a follow-up to my original heads up video, here are two other things that I will be using that I recently picked up from the Dollar Tree. When I go to the Dollar Tree, I will try to do these heads up videos just to give you an idea of some of the things that I might be working with. But I think I have quite a few Dollar Tree items to work with right now, and that is what I'm going to focus on, using some of those so that you can use some of the ones that you might have picked up. So guys, I hope that you have enjoyed the follow-up to the original Heads Up Dollar Tree video, which I have linked in the description box below. If you have enjoyed it, please hit the like button. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, go ahead, subscribe now, because we're going to be doing big things on this channel like we always do. And as always, you guys, please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.